Good evening everyone. Today is the 9th day of trying to improve my communication skill. Today I don't feel to record myself, but I need to stay disciplined to achieve my goals, to achieve this goal. I need to keep recording myself and see the progress. Also, I need to become more disciplined in every area, not only for the communication skill, also for my health, to stay healthy, to eat healthy and real foods, to do some push-up, and to walk more, to drink more water, to not to drink sugary drinks. Also to become disciplined in handling my finances. Yes, discipline is really vital in every area of our life. Jim Rohn once said, if you have discipline, Jim Rohn said, without discipline is a fun day at the beach. With discipline is owning the beach. So, discipline is the bridge between our goals and successes. If our goals is to own the beach, we need to become disciplined. And if our goal is the majority to have a one-day vacation at the beach, maybe we